In this video, we are going to talk about, and I'm going to give you my opinion on the buy and sell signals indicators that you can find for free on TradingView. As you should already know, buy and sell signals indicators are these kind of indicators that you are seeing here in the chart, like super trend or UT-bot alerts, for example, that gives you these buy or sell signals in the chart. So basically, these indicators, what they are analyzing is taking some kind of derivative of price, like EMAs or any other indicator, and they are printing a signal in the chart so you can execute a buy order or a long position order or a short position or sell order in the chart. So my opinion about this kind of indicators is basically that trading is a very hard work, okay, very difficult work. And these indicators, they are trying to sell you something that is not real. As you can see, these indicators sometimes work, sometimes they don't work. So basically, trading is a very difficult and very, let's say, complete discipline that you need to know a lot of things to be good at trading. Either way, we'll all be going to be millionaires, okay? So if making money in trading was that easy, just putting one or two indicators, free indicators that you can find on TradingView in your chart, and this will allow you to make money from internet, from home, no one will be working, no one will be building roads, building buildings, okay, or working as in the supermarket or in every other job, because let's click two buttons and let's make hundreds of dollars a day. So anyone will be working a normal or ordinary job, okay? So why I think that, and why I know that these kind of indicators that promise to give you buy and sell signals are, in my opinion, not a scam, but they are not what you think they are. Basically because they are trying to convince you that trading is very easy and is just putting an indicator in your chart and you will be able to generate money from the sky without any kind of knowledge, with any kind of experience, with any kind of backtesting, and with any kind of emotional control or psychology. So in my experience, I'm a swing trading from 2018 right now, since 2018, sorry, and I can tell you that trading involves a lot of emotional control, emotional stability, psychology about trading and about markets and about masses, knowing what you are doing and the people that are, let's say, interacting with these markets, also knowing yourself, if you are impulsive, you are reactive, you have fear, you have greed, okay? And by the other side, you need to have a lot of experience in the market, have taken a lot of trades, have taken a lot of mistakes, has win a lot of money, lose a lot of money, and making the same mistakes over and over again, and the same, let's say, good setups over and over again to analyze what works and what do not works. You have to spend a lot of hours in front of the chart, okay, to have the experience to execute good trades. Obviously, I can tell you that I use indicators, but I don't use this kind of indicators that print a signal buy and I click buy and then I make money from the sky. No, I use various indicators. I use price action and I use trend lines, for example. And in combination of all of this, with confluence of all the indicators, the price action, the trend lines, and my experience, my psychology, I will make the decisions to take a trade long or short, okay? So trading is a very complex work, very hard work. There are a lot of moving parts involved in trading, and these indicators that sell you, or these courses that sell you buy and sell signals, they are not a scam, because sometimes they can work, because even a clock that is broken marks the right time two times a day. So they are, let's say, misleading you, not scam you, but misleading you, leading you to think that trading is much easier than really is, okay? So basically, they are messing with your psychology, because humans, our brain wants to simplify or oversimplify very complex things such as trading, and this kind of indicators, buy and sell signals or groups or indicators, they are selling you the illusion that they are oversimplifying trading, and they are making a very complex work or very complex task very simplified and very easy. Okay, so basically this kind of there are two examples. UTBot, for example, this UTBot, you can see here that, for example, these signals are fake, these ones are real, these are fakes. If you enter a short here, okay, maybe you will get a little bit of profits, but then the price reverses. So you can see that it's 50-50 good and bad signals. So you can rely 50-50 on putting your money or betting your money in the market when a, let's say, indicator is half of the time right and half of the time wrong. You're going to lose, because there is involved also emotionality, because maybe you are right, but the indicator has failed you many times. For example, here, short, okay, but you position long here, you think that you position long here, the right signal was short, and then you get wrecked here, and then when the right long signal is printed, you will not trust the indicator. So that's why I am telling you that trading is more like a symphony. It's not like playing one instrument. Is not like the guitar. You need the guitar, you need the bass, you need the drums, okay? You need to have confluence for the music to start playing in the chart and for you as a trader. So you don't need to focus on one indicator, you don't need to focus on one strategy, you need to combine a lot of indicators, not a lot, you need to have a clean chart, but you need to combine, to search for confluence. And even if you combine well, you have experience, you have emotional control, you have the psychology, and you have the backtesting, even then you will never be 100%, let's say, sure or precise with your entry points or with your trades, because trading is all about probabilities, and you can have the probability on your side or against you, but you will never be 100% right or 100% wrong, okay, in these markets. And also in crypto, that is let's say more volatile or more manipulated market, this factor plays a huge role here, okay? So basically I'm doing this video to demystify a little bit this kind of indicators, such as I said before, super trend. This is super trend, okay? This is a little bit more precise because I think that it used the ATR. It used the ATR, but even if it's more precise, it also gives false signals, okay? You can hop on a short here, yeah, but many people, if we hop on a short here, where is the signal, the price is reversing right after, okay? You buy a long here, but the price has already pumped right now, okay? What's the profit that you have here, okay? It's more precise, yeah, but price action, if you see this white line and the price action to rejection here in the 1 day time frame, is giving you the signal of buying before. If you know how to read price action and support and demand, support and resistance, or supply and demand areas, you will be getting here the buy signal much earlier. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days before the super trend indicator was giving you the buy signal. So that's why I'm telling you that if you understand how to read the charts, price action, support and resistance, supply and demand areas, trend lines, you will be a much better trader rather than using a buy and sell indicator or using a buy and sell pay group or pay plan. Because what you are doing here is trying to avoid the experience and the pain and the hours needed to become a better trader, and you want someone to tell you what you need to do. You are avoiding your responsibility. You are avoiding the let's say, to take risky decisions or to take the weight of a risky decision, putting the money in the market. So you prefer, rather than you building and gathering all this experience, you prefer to rely on one indicator that everyone is using, because these indicators like Supertrend or UTBot here in TradingView has had thousands of people that are using them, and I bet my soul on it that these people that are using these indicators, they are not getting any profits from them. They are just avoiding the painful process and the hard work that you need to do and all the hours that you need to put into the chart to become a better trader. And they are trying to avoid the responsibility of taking decisions and to think from themselves, to take accountability from their actions, okay? So these indicators are just, let's say, an utopy, I think that is called, an utopy, a thing that is not real, and they are tapping into our psychology and our nature of being lazy, of being satisfied, and of taking the path of least resistance to achieve a very, let's say, hard outcome, okay? Because trading is very hard, involves a lot of things. As I said before, it's just like a symphony, like a music, and you cannot rely on one instrument. You need the vocals, you need a lot of things, and to have confluence within all those things. And even if we have confluence, maybe we are wrong, okay? Because no trader on earth is completely whole, and no trader on earth is completely, let's say, 100% right all the time. So in my opinion, you need to put in the work, you need to spend time in front of the charts. I have a system myself, I developed a system in all these years of trading, a system that gives me good probabilities of being on the right side of the equation, okay, when I take a decision, and also my gut feeling, because when you develop or you put a lot of experience or a lot of hours in a chart and you see the same patterns repeating over and over again along the years, in the months, in the days, okay, you know what the market is already going to do, because your brain has been trained to see these patterns, to interpret these patterns, and to react with these patterns. And also the psychology or the psychological or emotional stability standpoint, let's say, because when you did a lot of trades and you put a lot of hours in front of the charts, you are, let's say, being, how to say it, you are being numb to these emotions, to this rush of dopamine, of adrenaline, of greed, of fear, okay? You become less emotional, you are becoming numb on these emotions, and you are gaining in objectivity, not subjectivity. And that's what you want when you're trading. You need to let aside your emotions, focus on what the chart is telling you, and focus on your gut, on what your experience, on what your brain, your instinct is telling you, okay? This is the same as fighting or boxing. When you are boxing, you are not thinking, I'm going to throw a left hook, a right cross, okay? No, you are improvising, you are letting the fight flow, your punches, your kicks are flowing, okay? Because your experience, your instinct, you have done these kind of things so many times that you have internalized these assets, these strategies, these patterns, this psychology, and by the time you are in the fight, by the time you are trading in the market, this becomes easy, becomes automatic. You don't need to think about it, okay? So that's why I don't trust these buy and sell indicators. That's why I don't trust buy and sell signals groups or pay groups. I think that they are, let's say, a coping mechanism, to be clear with you. And I think that you need to put the work in trading. Trading is very hard work. You need to have a lot of skills. You need to develop a lot of skills, different skills, okay? Not just technical analysis, not just experience, not just skin in the game, not just psychology, not just fundamental analysis. You need to put a lot of hours and knowledge and experience and personal development here, okay? So I want you to think about that. If you want to become a better trader, you need to select the right path to become a better trader. And I think that relying on others' opinions, so relying on indicators that tell you what to do, or relying on people that tell you what to do, is not the end goal. The end goal is you becoming self-sufficient and confident about your strategy, about your system, about yourself. And this way you will be a sustainable, profitable trader, okay? So, as I always said, follow me on Twitter here. You can follow me on trading_soldier, the verified one. where you can find a lot of videos that I made, like this one, analyzing charts. Also you can find news, also you can find my trading ideas. So I encourage you to follow me on Twitter, because you are missing out if you are not following me there. And also you can follow me on Instagram at Trading Soldier Official, where you can find a lot of motivational reels that I post here, because as you should already know, Instagram content is different from YouTube and from Twitter. So here I post more motivational content, and also, let's say, my results of my trades and these kind of things. And related to what I was explaining in this video about these kind of indicators, I encourage you to visit my website trading-soldier.com, where you can find a lot of free tutorials for free. You don't have to pay a dime, where I explain all my trading strategies, all my trading indicators that I consider relevant in the market, where I explain a lot of price action, or a lot of softwares, or a lot of, let's say, for example, Heikin Ashi, volume profile, the dominance of Bitcoin, and how to interpret in the market, the trend lines, okay? So if you want to become a better trader with patience, go into my website, read the post, see the videos that I publish. Also you can find these videos on Rumble or on YouTube, okay? And you can see these kind of articles that every concept is well explained, okay? So in my opinion, the correct way to become a better trader is to gain experience and to learn from someone that has already done what you want to do, okay? So in my website, I compile, or I gather all this knowledge that I taken from my own experience along of these years of trading. So visit my website. It's for free, as I said before. You don't have to pay a dime. You only have to follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, and also on YouTube. So the next time you will load in your TradingView charts a buy and sell signal indicator like this one, think about it. Okay? Thank you for your time, and we see you on the next video.